more embarrassing, hugging when they go for a handshake or going for a handshake when they go for a hug?
I think the most embarrassing is when they both go for a hug and they end up kissing each other. Like, not kissing.
Welcome back to our pod. I'm Shivali.
I'm Ashvita.
And today, I think we are going to talk about adult friendships,
Yes.
especially how did we make friends after moving here.
I moved here with my best friend, aka my husband. So yeah, it was very strange for us because we both moved here. So we had each other, right? So
Yeah.
we didn't feel of throwing yourself out in the world making friends until I got fed up of him and he got fed up of me.
It does. It happens. I mean, how much can you rely on one
Yeah.
person?
I mean, yeah, that's what, like, first when we arrived here, we were like, oh, yeah, we should do this, we should do. And I must say, the first year we enjoyed a lot. It was kind of our honeymoon period, which was
So
extended
like
to
you
1
like
year.
you got married and like moved
Yeah,
here?
so I got married. We did move. So this was our third destination. We moved within a year. It was mostly we both were kind of a team. Then we didn't feel like having friends because already we were quite comfortable. Until the other day, we were like, okay, I can't bear you now. I can't go out with you alone. I need more people.
I know, I can imagine.
Because
yeah.
how much will you talk? And we always ended up talking about household chores. वो लाया, ये साफ किया, वो साफ किया, and I was like, okay, I'm done with this now. So I need more friends.
और अगर उसकी बुराई करनी है तो किससे करोगे?
That was the thing. I was bottling up all the rage. I needed
कितना जर्नल यार? No.
कॉपियां भर दी.
Might as well make some friends.
Yeah, and you need girlfriends, right? I mean, honest ना अभी लड़कों के साथ तो हो गया मेरा अभी. I don't think so.
Thank
Any
God.
guy can be my best friend. I mean, few exceptions though, but But-
yeah.
you need that female friendship definitely.
Yeah. With the term best friend, do you believe in that? I mean, do you think there is a
I think
thing
I-
called best friend?
In phases, I'll probably have 10 best friends. From
Then
different-
what is best? Best तो like superlative है ना? तो
No,
best how can you?
Like if you tell me, oh, you have to do this thing, then I have a different best friend for this particular thing.
You are convenient. मतलब convenience है इसको.
हाँ, मतलब मेरे 10 friends हैं, best friends.
हाँ. No, then
अलग-अलग phases.
Then it's just the term being.
Yeah.
The term
I mean,
best friend
I
being
don't think
abused.
so. You can have one best friend for sure.
That's why I do not properly like understand the concept of best friend because again phases, and then it's putting a lot of pressure on one person. You have different sort of friendships for different kind of environment and different phases of your life as well.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah.
childhood friends, I mean, does not apply to everyone, but for me, like if I'll say my childhood friends, I'm friends with them, but then sometimes you grow apart or few things you do not vibe with them. It's not the friendship has gone, but it has taken a different tangent. So now calling them a best friend and expecting कि अब ये मेरी सारी बातें समझे और मैं इसकी सारी बातें समझूं, too much pressure on a person.
Yeah, and it's not fair because now we have moved places.
Yeah.
Long distance friendship is a very tough.
It's a hard thing.
I think it's harder than long distance relationship. I think so. What do you think?
I mean, I have done both, so
Which is harder? Tell us. Relationship.
Relationship is harder.
I mean, relationship is easy. You just break up, right? How do you break up with friendships?
You
like?
do. Haven't you had any friendship where you
No.
break up? No?
Not like the one with relationship where you just like break up. You just
Fizzle out,
slowly.
phase out. बिना confront किए, you just अब इससे कम बात करते हैं. Let's not.
हाँ, exactly. You just slowly remove them from your life.
It's not healthy though.
Is it? I'm sorry for people.
But anyway, we are deviating from the topic.
Okay, yeah.
So
Let's
I
go back.
think.
How was your friendship story?
Yeah, mine actually is very different from like what you are telling because I arrived alone. That taught me a lot of things. It kind of opened me up a bit to expose myself because I am an introverted sort of person. I take time to gel up with people. So
And I agree on that.
Do you?
I think you're
Okay.
introvertedly extrovert,
Probably.
which is a good thing.
Good or bad, पता नहीं life चल रही है जैसे चल रही है. So anyway,
I'm happy I'm your friend. So unless you don't call me that,
let's not get into that tangent.
Okay.
Just kidding. Anyway, yeah. So because I came alone, and then what used to happen in India? I'm a lazy person as well. So in India, I used the friends I had were mostly my flatmates or my colleagues. and stuff. And here, when I arrived, my office only had I was the only girl in my team, and I was the youngest. In the age group I was with, it was mostly like everyone was 10 years elder to me. So I understood that this setting is not going to work. Plus the flatmate, so I did not tell in my culture shock story, but for 2-3 weeks I was staying with a girl because somebody suggested that she's staying alone in a bigger flat, so let's do the flat share. I thought that let's make friends with her. Oh my god, but then that was not her fault, it's not my fault, it's just we were like this, two different people, like literally black and white, and she was very controlling. She just wanted me to tell if I'm going out also, so she wanted me to knock her door and tell her I'm going out.
Yeah,
It's
mummy
like
theek
living
hai.
with,
Mummy
yeah.
behavior. That's like
Yeah, so I just fucked myself out of the house in 2-3 weeks.
oh god.
And I was not allowed to eat eggs also in the house. I was not allowed to keep any beers and stuff. So I used to hide everything in my room. And then, oh my god, that's a trauma. We can make one episode on that. That
Roommate
how trauma.
traumas, yeah. I think
Oh, वो तो series बनेगी. And how much trauma I have given to my family because I am कोई angel नहीं हूँ मैं. तो
we should call them as a guest on our podcast.
blocked
And I'll
हो
be
गई
just
होंगी मैं.
sitting there and like, oh, please rescue me.
नहीं. Few were good also. So anyway, so the thing called Bumble BFF.
I have no idea.
I
And I've never
started
even
using
used
that.
Bumble.
We have not even used Bumble.
So I don't know about
So,
Bumble BFF.
I had the app. I used to switch between dating and BFF.
Okay.
Dating तो अभी क्या कहें?
एक pair
Another
इस boat में.
another episode going to be on that.
Oh, what is the concept? Because I'm hearing this for the first time. So you right swipe on a friend? Or?
Yes.
Oh, is it really?
Yes. And problem
Okay.
is I came at the end of 2019 and then the COVID thing came up. So whatever friends I was talking to, I could not meet them in person. तो क्या होता था that we used to start chatting. It was like just a dating app. You start talking and then you phase out at one point, right? Friendship was also going like that because I could not meet them as such.
Yeah, then you won't make that bond, right? You need that.
Exactly. When the things started opening up, then I started meeting with these people, like Bumble BFF people,
Okay.
few of them. One girl I met, fine, everything was fine, and she was very active on Bumble BFF. Like she was, if I was talking to one person, मैं हूँ थोड़ी सी one track mind, तो मैं एक से ही करते रहूँगी.
Peak introvertedly extrovert behavior, Shivali, I'm telling you.
I can't like divide my attention. एक तो वैसे क्या बात करने का app में, you don't know, right?
Yeah.
So
And since you were switching between dating and BFF, ऐसा तो नहीं हुआ like you sent some message, you were
और साथ में ऑफिस का काम भी है यार, घर के मतलब एक ही बेचारी जान क्या करेगी. तो फिर what happened that girl,
okay.
so she made a lot of friends, and then what she did that she invited all of us and we hung out. We did a trip to Yorkshire as well. I don't know what happened. That girl didn't like something. Maybe she didn't like us, other girls bonding or what. After that trip, she like didn't block us as such, but removed everyone, all of us from the Instagram, left the group, and I don't know why.
Like just completely ghosted you
Yeah. And not only me, like everyone. Another one.
Did you ever confronted her, or like it was blackout after that?
No. I just texted her, but she never replied. Apparently, she didn't reply to anyone.
Was she involved in a relationship and
she had a husband?
Maybe her husband was like, no, don't hang out with these people. They are bad influence. I'm just kidding. I don't know.
Could be, but he didn't meet us.
Whatever. Yeah, maybe.
Let's not get into that. Another one was very funny. There was a girl who used to talk to everyone, and then she made a WhatsApp group of all the girls. When I say they were like 40-50 girls, and then nobody met.
Those groups.
Everyone was like talking on WhatsApp. We should meet sometime, and then started network marketing in that group. Someone was selling perfume. Someone was like, "Kya chal raha hai yaar?"
I think
left that.
Yeah, this can become really. You can be very desperate sometimes. You're not gonna end up. You just want at least 1 or 2 friends. You don't want 40 of them.
And then
right?
the fatigue, man. The fatigue with meeting a lot of people, and then it's like completely like dating scene when you are continuously meeting people, and it's the same friendship maybe. But yes, so this was quite a struggle. Although I have few positive stories as well. I'll tell you going forward. One, I'll tell you positive.
Hope it's me.
No, you will come later. I'm talking about. I'm talking about the Bumble BFF fiascos.
So you did meet good friends.
I did meet one.
That's good.
She was a lovely girl, but she came only for 6 months from Lisbon.
Okay.
So we hung out and it used to be
Mhm.
good. And there's a weird story as well. Because of me, some Indian guy hit on her, and I was like, I'll tell you about
Okay,
that.
so there's also drama in
Yeah, a
it.
lot of drama. I'll
But
tell
you're
you.
still friends? Oh.
Yeah, because I went to Lisbon and we met her.
Okay,
Me
that's
and my
nice.
partner, we went.
Yeah.
And we met. She
Mm.
came to meet us and stuff, and we are still in touch. So that was lovely. But then
Yeah.
again, it's turned to long distance from that.
I think for me, so that's what for me, every time, if I rewind back to my childhood till now, I've only made friends during some activity, like maybe it's sports, it's dance, or anything, any hobby that involves social interaction. I think
It's
I have
always activity.
excelled in that.
It's a good way as well,
Because
you know.
at least you're sure there's one interest you're sharing with that
Hmm.
person. Because that's what happened, like after I was fed up with my husband. I mean, in
Stop using that. He's still your husband.
only in the social way, like only like
Bored तो कर दिया होगा उसने.
हाँ भी एक साल बाद. I mean, okay, let me
Or
rephrase
you
it.
might have bored him.
I think yeah, the other way around. This meetup app downloaded. Then I went to badminton groups, and then I met few people. But that time, like I was still not in that mindset to call them friends. I mean, it was more like, okay, I'm socializing, because it took me a good 1 or 2 year to call them my friends.
Yeah.
And again, they were all now that was the problem when I went there. There were very few girls. It was group of like 15-20 people, but most of them were men. There were only 1 or 2 female. Not that I'm male hating here, but after 30, there I don't know. Male, I'm not male bashing here, but there is topics you generally click more with girls. But then my strategy was to hijack their wives or girlfriends or friends, female friends, and then just and then just say bye to them.
Did you succeed?
Yes.
Okay.
Sometime I did, sometime I did not. But everyone is still my friend.
But badminton connection say we also met, no?
Exactly. See, I also hijacked you now.
Yeah, I mean
Kind of.
ours were like you were not so let's-
Indirectly.
for the sake of telling it to whomsoever it may concern.
Or maybe not.
Yeah. So
Maybe skip to the next.
my,
I'm kidding. No, stay, please stay.
my partner, my boyfriend used to go to play badminton,
Yeah, in
and
the same
you
club.
guys met him, but then you were not friends. He met someone else, and
Yeah.
then we met in their housewarming.
Yes. I think your boyfriend and I have played together, but again, it was just
You
a
have some
social
boundaries thing.
Yeah, like a social interaction.
You are anyway proper. By the time whoever has watched us from last 2-3 episodes might have seen.
Thank you.
Pretty proper to hai ye.
I just pretend.
Anyway, sir, yeah.
Yeah, so like I knew your boyfriend, and then when we met at our friend's house, common friend's house, we recognized each other. To be honest, I was like, इसके काफ बहुत अच्छे थे मुझे इसलिए.
Man, different priorities.
Because yeah, I mean it's very unnatural to have good calves when you're playing badminton, right? I mean I can understand football, and I'm like, do you play football by any chance? Your calves are quite good, and you're playing very well.
Man. Anyway, so we met and then we had dinner on the same day, same night.
I think we didn't want to like make our ways part. We wanted to stay for the whole night and then have fun.
And then rest is history.
Yeah, I think that's also a good thing. If you meet and then you want to extend that time, it's a good sign, I believe.
Yeah. So yes, activity based is a good one, because I also made few friends. Although I changed the city, so I could not continue the friendship that much. But I used to go to that indoor bouldering, rock climbing thing.
Okay.
Through meetup.com, but it was lovely, because we used to go on Sunday mornings, and then after the session of 2-3 hours, first it's a great activity to learn. It's a group activity because you're falling down together, so you are learning together, and then afterwards we used to go for like pick up some bite to a pub. So
that's where the bonding happens.
वो तो पता ही है ना, pub में ही होगी ना bonding. Anyway, so I have a game today to play.
Oh, let's do that.
All right. So the game is very famous game. Would you rather? We didn't use any of our brains. We just came up with this stupid idea. So I have few questions. I'll also answer to those questions.
Yeah, let's
but
answer.
Would you rather introduce yourself as new to the city forever, or admit that you have lived there for 3 years and still have no friends?
I think I'll just, you know what, I love when you tell people that, oh, I'm new to the city, and they start giving you gyan internally.
Yes.
And I love that, because I'm like, no, I'm new to the city, and they'll be like, oh, do one thing, you go to this restaurant, you do this, you know, pata hai yahan ka aisa tax bharna aisa, and internally I'm like, dude, I've done all this, but I'm like, That's an internal joke. But I love it when people give gyan and I'm like,
You like it?
yeah, but I'm laughing internally. Like, they're so stupid. Like, why are they giving me gyan? I don't
So
want.
judgmental she is, man.
It's so funny.
See, layers are coming out of Ashweta now.
But no, I find it hilarious. Like,
Yeah.
But yeah,
So what
I'll
would
just
you
take-
do? You will say that you are
yeah,
still
I'm
new to the city.
Yeah, I'll just-
Because the reason is
I want to laugh.
you want to know, but then is that his hidden reason is that you do not want to accept that you do not have many friends till now after like 6-7 years.
Oh, in friends context, if someone is asking, then I'll say, no, I have friends.
You
I
have
don't know,
anyway,
I mean,
no?
Yeah, I have made
She
friends.
has,
Yeah. Because
yeah.
it's like 6 or 7 years I've been living here. So I think,
So, but honestly, I when if it comes to friends,
Yeah.
now I think it's the maturity or the money I've spent in therapy have taught me that accept that you have less friends.
yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
All right. So, okay. Next question is, would you rather pretend that you're busy to seem mysterious or admit that you are free every single day?
Again, I mean, depends. If I want to take revenge, a good revenge on my friend, I mean, not break my friendship, but just like give them the hint of revenge, I'll just stay mysterious. Because I think you, as a human nature, a human get more jealous when they want to know about someone and they are not getting anything. Jealous or they just like fume.
Okay.
Like ऐसा कि
हाँ.
ये क्या कर रही, बता क्यों नहीं रही, कहाँ busy है, क्यों मुझसे बात नहीं कर.
So many mind games, man.
No,
Now
but
I have to-
genuinely, but genuinely, okay. Let's just keep jokes aside. But no, I'll say I'm free. If I'm genuinely free, I'll say. If I'm genuinely busy, I'll say busy. But I won't pretend.
Sometimes doesn't it get too much? ये तो पूरे time ही वेली है.
It's fine. I mean,
No, fair. Yeah.
what about you?
No,
You're not answering, Shivali. It's putting.
अरे I told you anyway free तो यार अब मैंने तो podcast के episode में बोल दिया था that my calendar is free empty all the time. How much I have to hide?
But still, you won't pretend.
No, I do not. I do not.
That's good. That's
No,
a good
it's-
friendship.
Now I'm turning like that. I'm getting mature. No, मतलब my PFC got developed I think 24-25 के age में, but then my maturity
One
got
sec, what is PFC?
prefrontal. I mean,
Wait. What is PFC?
frontal lobe.
Okay.
I mean,
Okay,
your brain
okay.
got
It's
developed.
called PFC. I didn't know that.
Prefrontal cortex. Yeah.
Wow.
So
You know so much now, Shivali. You know so much. You.
whatever. Yeah. So, but then mind games खेलना तो कुछ time पहले ही बंद किया. Otherwise, I used to be like, not with everyone
Yeah,
again, but with few people I used to do. I think I used to do when till the time I was like single or with like
Okay.
situationships, relationships sort of thing. Like कि वहाँ
Okay.
पे तो थोड़ा करना पड़ता है ना यार. थोड़ा
हाँ,
भाव तो.
थोड़ा भाव तो खाने.
So then it got translated into friendships as well, which was not healthy. I was not a good person anyway, which I think it's not is now
Shut up,
clear
you- come
by
on.
episode 4.
You are a good person. Come on.
Trying to be. Anyway, next question. Okay. Would you? I don't know if this applies, but then let's take our previous experiences and try.
Okay.
Would you rather be the only single one in the friend group or the only one without kids?
I definitely don't want to be single and with people with kids. Then I'm not winning because I don't.
Are winning?
But
क्या?
I think still, like, I think kids are fine. I don't want to be single in group
a
of.
group?
Yeah. I mean,
मेरा उल्टा
unless it's like couple, and I'm single.
It's still I'm okay with that.
I don't want. So you're not okay with kids having, but kids, like, you can play with kids and
तो वही बचता फिर.
तो सही है ना, तुमको short small talks नहीं करने, तुमको
But then
tolerate
when
नहीं
you
करना.
when you are in a like proper friends group, so it's not small talk. Like for example, you have. It's not that if you have a kid, or
Oh.
I might. No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, but again, if you're secure in that friendship, you won't feel. I mean, I'm fine with kids because if I'm not taking that pressure, I also want to have kids because my friends are having. You should be fine. With kids, you get that.
But then
innocence
what's the
also.
problem of staying single in a group of relationship? वाला
Because
friends?
वो थोड़ा cringy हो जाता है. I mean, बहुत couples, सारे ही couples रहे. At least एक तो कोई single.
But then they
होना
can keep
चाहिए.
you hooking on up, no, with their single friends.
That's fine. But कोई तो single. I mean, सारे ही couple है and then I'm single. I think that's too cringy.
हाँ,
मैं PDA
okay.
कर रहे हैं, मैं क्या खुद के साथ
अब
PDA
कौन करता है यार PDA? I don't think you
करते.
can say it directly.
लोग
no?
करते हैं शिवाली. People do PDA. And I get jealous then. No, I do not. About you? Single is fine.
No, kids. No, I mean, single is fine. Being single in a group of like couples is still okay. Or not. Or
I think we
yes.
are fine with both. I think we do have friends with kids and we
I
enjoy.
I do,
think it's
but
a-
then at some point I want to have like adult conversations,
Oh,
and I
yeah,
can't be
that's
like diaper bonding, man.
But when
all
the
the
kid is
time.
sleeping, you can
Nice होते हैं ना वो.
सुला दो
I
बच्चों
love
को.
kids. I'm not saying I do
Yeah.
not like kids, but then
Yeah, you won't get that me time with your friend. Or
first, then see, anyway they have less time because
Hmm.
their life is full of
kids
events
shows
and
and
this
everything. Yeah.
thing. And then if you are getting some time, वो वाला time भी सिर्फ उन्हीं की बातों में and उन्हीं के around is
हाँ.
going on, then it sometimes I start feeling bad for them, that give them some time out, man.
I think
That's why.
okay, that's fair.
That's why. All right.
Next question.
What is more embarrassing, laughing too hard at their joke or not laughing at all and realizing it was a joke?
Is more embarrassing is I think not laughing at all. Embarrassing for me or them?
For you.
I think I'll laughing too hard. Yeah, I mean
Laughing too hard?
because yeah, then they'll think ये क्या इतना क्या हंसने
I
का
think
था?
mine as well. Because not laughing is their problem. Your
joke
what's
didn't
happening?
land, right?
Your joke did not land. Not my problem. You are not funny. If your joke is landing, but it was like 50% funny.
But overdoing
मैं like overcompensate people pleasing के लिए फिर मैं
नहीं,
I'm
अगर-
laughing at a
if-
lot.
Okay, but if I have a laugh level of say 10 and I'm doing a 20, then I'll be embarrassed, right?
Yeah,
यार
that's
ये
what.
joke हाँ तो
वो ज़्यादा embarrassing है.
हाँ,
We
so
agree
okay,
on this
okay, so
one.
we agree. Finally, one thing.
Would you rather have instant best friend chemistry that burns out fast,
Hmm.
or a slow burn friendship that takes forever to feel real?
I think now the former because अभी इतना time नहीं है अभी
Best friend
instant
chemistry.
हाँ अगर तुमको instant if you're connecting I think then only it will last. Slow burn जैसी कोई I
Does it
don't
last?
think. Ours is lasting.
हमारा
Touch
instant
wood.
कहाँ था?
We connected instantly.
That
see,
was wine, brother.
come on.
that
See, we
was
met at our friend's place.
Okay. हाँ.
But then it extended to dinner, right? That was instant click.
Hmm.
Maybe that's
no,
I am
but that,
thinking.
no.
It's
No,
like-
if you say, yeah, actually.
I mean,
yes.
slow burn क्या होता कि हम तब मिलते and then we parted our ways and then
Hmm.
we met like 1 or 2 weeks later for only 2 hours. Then we met 2 later. That's slow. I don't think so
Hmm.
that works anymore. That's only surface level then.
Yeah, now you convinced me
Yeah,
actually.
I
on
think
this.
instant click. You need that instant click.
But kabhi, I think I do not agree on both of them, because sometimes I have had experiences when the instant clicks only worked like couple of times, and then you start realizing, nahi yaar, this insan is not what
Vibe
they're.
check नहीं हो रहा है तो.
Yeah, what I'm trying
Yeah,
to
I
say,
think
right?
it's I agree. I think it's very
देखो वो
circumstantial.
slow burn वाला तो doesn't
Hey.
work anymore.
I mean, yeah. So instant click, you need that, but it can turn out to be good or bad. You never know. But you need that instant click, instant
possible.
chemistry तो चाहिए.
Cancel this question.
Yeah, I think it's very I mean, we don't know the answer to this.
Okay, another one. I think this is the last one. What is more embarrassing, hugging when they go for a handshake, or going for a handshake when they go for a hug?
I think the most embarrassing is when they both go for a hug and they end up kissing each other. Like not kissing. Like that is the.
How many times have you done that?
I mean, it happens a lot of time. Not like kiss, but you both are going in the same direction to hug, and suddenly your just cheeks are just touching, or like, oh, that's so embarrassing. Like with a new person, that's with a new person. I don't mind hugs, but it shouldn't be like dono ja rahe hain, and then it happens. It has happened with me, so.
But then
But
out
what
of
about
these,
you?
hugging when you go for a handshake, or going for a handshake when they are going
I
for
think
a
if
hug?
you are hugging, you're going for a hug and they handshake, that is embarrassing.
No, I think so. If I am going for a hug and somebody does the handshake, I'll manage. But I was going to hug you.
Yeah.
I say that.
Okay.
So
But that is a bit embarrassing.
no.
You
It's like
turn it around.
I turn it like I was going to hug you. Ulta hota hai, then I feel weird, because if they are going for a hug and
hug.
I do a handshake, because I am awkward like that.
Okay.
Now I'm getting better, but I was not a physical touch. I'm not a physical
Okay,
touchy
okay,
person
Right.
previously.
Yeah. Okay. Then it's fine.
So if I'm doing that, then it's fine, then I'll cover it up. But okay, come on, let's get a hug. Why are you doing a handshake? I'll say that. But other way around, फिर then I'll keep on thinking about it. अरे यार, फिर से मैंने कुछ तो भी कर दिया है ना. Yeah. So mine is ulta. Yeah. Another one I had. Yeah, you were saying.
No. Go ahead. You tell me.
Another one I had, which I do not have written here. Somebody asked me that what is more, how does it feel when somebody says, you say someone hi to someone and they do not respond, and sometimes they do not even like recognize you.
Oh yeah, like the name shaming thing also.
And the name, forget your name. Oh
That is
God.
very.
Have you forgotten somebody's
Yeah,
name?
yeah,
So
yeah,
what's
a
more
lot of
embarrassing, somebody forgetting your name or you forgetting someone's
I
name?
again, I think me forgetting someone's name is more embarrassing. I think that might be embarrassing for them, not for me. I mean,
That you forgetting their name?
yeah.
इतना भी impact नहीं छोड़ा कि नाम याद रखे.
हाँ, तो वो उनका problem. That's their.
That's so much performance pressure. I don't know.
We are thinking so highly about us.
No, delusional.
Yeah,
We are
delusional.
recording a podcast. We are already delusional and think extremely highly of ourselves that people will care to watch us.
And like
Listen to our
हम पे
blog.
impact people might be thinking हम पे तो कोई impact नहीं छोड़ा.
ये recording में impact नहीं छोड़ पा रही.
Real life में
What
तो
impact they will leave in real life when they are unprepared and stuff.
और जो
हो
बहुत
गया.
बातें करते हैं, I mean the people like ज्ञान देना is like one thing, but then बहुत
Podcast.
बोलते हैं people. I mean I like when we are socializing. They so this happened to me once. The same strategy I was applying to hijack someone's wife. When the guy was
I'll make it as a-
to make them my friend. Okay, let me be not my wife, but make them.
and then you are saying you're bored of your husband. And then you're saying you're hijacking
No,
people.
I love my husband.
What
please.
is going on here?
But that backfired me like hell. I mean, she couldn't stop talking about things, and she was showing something that she's very superior to me, and then I'm like, hold your horses, dude. I'm like,
Was it like
it's
that?
fine. Yeah. I drink these kind of cocktail. I only go to Michelin star restaurants. I'm
Ayyo,
like, yeah,
these
that's
people,
fine.
yeah.
That's fine. I'm like,
No,
then
I
I
don't
ghosted her. And
I
then
don't
and
think
everything.
that's livable and that's
That's-
not. Survive नहीं हो पाता यार. You can't survive
Then
these kind of
there's-
friendships. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's just you're just flaunting your lifestyle, which is not friendship and which is not organic at all. You need to listen first and then react or act or whatever. Just
Have you met those kind of people who like? I'm
No,
telling
have
you something that I had like 100 degrees fever.
okay.
मुझे तो 109 डिग्री बुखार था.
Oh,
There are characters like that.
Yes.
When you tell them, मतलब they want to like one up you. You know?
I
God, it's just मतलब
Yeah.
first meeting is fine, but then you figure out that's their character. तो
Yeah.
मतलब they're all the time in
Competing, yeah.
competing with you.
which is very exhausting.
Competition में वो बुरी चीजों में भी compete करने लग जाते हैं. If you are telling something wrong about it, तुम क्या बता रहे हो
मेरे साथ तो और बुरा हुआ है. Yeah, they do.
those kind of friendships also is like that is flaunting. When you say flaunting,
Yeah, I
this is also
think-
flaunting.
That is only. I mean, you can just tolerate them. You can't be
Fair.
really friends with them.
Yeah, man. That's
Because how
so
can you
bad.
bond with them if?
Anyway, see, as an adult, it's difficult. And then you are like playing this game or like competition ही चल रहा है, then why it is a friendship anyway? The life is so competitive. In your workplace, you are competing, and then again in friendship,
No.
जहाँ पे तुम्हें थोड़ा सा time
Yeah.
off चाहिए with all that bhasar. So and it's absolutely
Also,
shit.
it is like we were talking about the instant friendship thing, right? Also, your ice-breaking questions are so important. There was a very funny moment with me with this ice-breaking question. So I was invited to a party very early on when we moved here. There were a lot of people there, right? So I was sitting beside these two girls. They were new to me. So we were just having a conversation and all. So I just mentioned randomly that I've been watching this K-drama, and we were just casually talking, and the other person mentioned, oh, I watched this in my college. I don't watch it anymore. I'm like, no, I'm obsessed with this, and I think I have an addiction problem. I think my personality is addictive. And the third girl was like, tell me 3 things you're addicted about. And basically, I'm like, and I just laughed at
You
it. Yeah.
oversold yourself.
Yeah, and I'm like, and she was looking at me dead serious.
Oh,
Yeah,
चाहिए.
go on.
Oh my god.
And I'm like, okay, one thing is K-drama. And then I still laughed.
You could not answer?
Yeah, because obviously I'm not an addictive person. I mean, it was just a figure of
Okay,
speech.
I mean, you like in the flow, you said
Yeah, I just
that
fled.
because at that particular time you were addicted to
Yeah.
that thing. Didn't tell
And
you
this-
the meetup.com story. That was so
Oh
funny.
yeah, that's
So
remaining.
meetup.com, I had such a bad experience. So the bouldering thing,
Yeah,
what
that was-
happened? That was the good one. Again, that was activity related. That was a good one. But that I came up like later. Firstly, that meetup.com scene was एक दो तो ऐसा फालतू सा था. People didn't turn up and all.
For
So-
the same bouldering activity. or
no,
some
no,
other.
there were
Okay.
random stuff going on. So ek do to they were not good. One, there were so many people they turned up, so we used to go to a pub or a food place
Mhm.
initially, and then the problem was used to meet, and the socializing used to stay till then. So there was not like if you met couple of good people from there,
Mhm.
you would want to talk to them or meet them separately.
Okay.
What happens that guys, especially desi guys, Indian ladke, they
Hmm.
started going and started going for like ladkiyan mil jayengi usliye.
Hmm.
Man, and
Hmm.
then one of the meetup things was the organizer himself. So first time I went, it was okay. There were few guys hitting on you. Wo ho hi raha hai. It's not at har bandi pe they were trying who came alone.
Hmm.
That was fine. The organizer the first day he was like half Indian, half Malaysian sort of guy.
Hmm.
So first day was fine. Next time I went again, that time the Portuguese girl I met,
Mhm.
the Lisbon
Yeah.
girl, I took her also. She was very social and stuff.
Mm.
I told her I have a meetup thing today. You want to join? I
Mm.
went there. This organizer guy, he was talking to both of us separately, together, everything, and then he was flirting with me also. He was flirting with her also.
Mm.
He ignored.
Yeah.
We were not flirting
Mm.
back, and then I had to take a train on a separate direction, and she had to take a train, and this guy also had to take a train on a separate direction. He went with her to the station. I like, I'll walk you and all. And then he started saying to her, "Is there there is something on your cheek? There's something on your cheek." And then I want to kiss you, and he started that.
Oh my.
Man, okay. And this happened. She avoided him, ignored him, and
Right.
then she
Mhm.
took the train. And then on the way, she was texting me this and this happened. This guy texted me also,
Mm.
not something on the cheek.
Yeah.
He wanted me to co-host the meetup, to
Right.
be his partner thing.
Mm.
I said no. After knowing this, I didn't want to do with
Mhm.
this thing. He blocked me, he blocked her. I don't know why. So basically you
That-
have to flirt back in order to stay in the
Yeah.
group. Otherwise, that was so embarrassing. That the good part about that thing was that girl did not blame me for this kind of thing, because I
Yeah.
was the one who took her to that kind of
Hmm.
setting. And but she understood and she did not blame me, and she was like,
Yeah. I mean, the guy is in absolute fault.
all desi guys, I'm
They are, but they get a bit desperate. I
very
must say.
desperate. And then there
Yeah.
was another guy who was like, I told him I have a boyfriend. I was doing
Mhm.
long distance that time. I have a boyfriend. So he thought I was lying. भाई अगर मैं झूठ भी बोल रही हूँ तो तू देखना यार,
हाँ,
तेरे में
this is-
नहीं है इंटरेस्ट मेरे को. I was not lying although, but he was
Right.
not able to believe, ready to believe me.
Mhm.
And then he was questioning me, अच्छा कहाँ है फिर तुम मीटअप क्यों कर रही. And one thing was, if you have a boyfriend, why are you coming to meet up? I mean, how is that related? Is that a dating app?
Maybe he's thinking you're that child with imaginary boyfriend. You know, kids how they have imaginary friends.
फिर तो और मत आ यार मेरे पीछे, मैं तो
फिर तो और
schizo हूँ.
हाँ, exactly.
This is so
They
ridiculous.
are
And
just not ready to
yeah,
understand.
so in meetup there are different events, and there are events which are dating specific also. There are
Yeah,
speed
yeah,
date. उसमें जाओ ना, you can go
Exactly,
there. If the event says to socialize and to meet people, to make friends, what the hell is that? And because of that girl from Lisbon, her boss was also Indian, and he was not harassing her like this way, but he was not a good boss. He was a toxic person. After that stupid guy of meetup.com, what happened, and then she didn't blame me and all that. That was good part. But by the way, she just said, sometimes I feel, are all Indian guys like that? And my god, I clearly remember that I was not in a position to defend, because nobody set a good example.
Yeah, I mean, yeah,
That's the
okay.
most shameful
Yeah.
part. It gets hard, yeah. It gets hard when you're coming alone, when you're living alone. And if you're not living alone, making adult friends.
Yeah, it's
But
anyways-
considering you, I think you are a very kind of a bit extroverted sort of
Yeah,
person.
yeah, मैं तो
So it is
I am-
easier
it's
for you.
easier. That's
But
why
it
comes very naturally to me to make friends, maybe, or just keeping you. I mean, putting you out there in the world, talking to people, and I think I have a good filter where I just filter people out quickly or filter their things.
So
There's
anyway,
so many. Yeah, but on and on. I think the one thing is good that we are friends, and I'm happy about that.
and now we have this as well.
And I hope you call me friend as well. I mean, I'm just
We'll see
kidding.
about it. Yeah.
But I think, yeah, I think it's a bittersweet thing that adult friendship coming to
It's
new
hard.
city. It's hard.
hard.
You do make good friends sometime. You'll have one or two friends, good friends that can turn into best friends of that phase.
And then you convert
Yeah,
it into
then-
a podcast.
podcaster, and then you build a business probably and be delusional about it and just have a good time.
All
Yeah.
right.
So thanks
So-
for watching.
And if you
And-
have any stories about how did you end up making friends or not making friends.
Yeah.
Please tell us so that we can discuss something more.
Yes.
And thank you.
See you next time. Bye.